Xapo Bank offers a unique vault account for your long-term Bitcoin balances that comes with extra layers of security. Balances in the vault are secured with a 48-hour withdrawal hold, biometric protections, and additional account notifications. You can also hide your vault balance from the main app to keep your holdings completely private. Here's how to add funds to the vault. From the home screen of the Xapo Bank app, tap on Wealth. Tap on BTC Vault. And then tap on Add Funds. Choose if you'd like to transfer from your main Bitcoin account or your Bitcoin savings account. Now enter the amount you'd like to transfer to the vault. To transfer your full balance, just tap Use All. Keep in mind that there will be a 48-hour withdrawal hold on these funds to provide an extra layer of protection. Tap Continue. Review the transaction. If everything looks good, tap Confirm. Your Bitcoin has now been secured in the vault. When you want to access the funds in your vault, here's how to make a withdrawal. Tap on Wealth, and then tap Withdraw. Select the account you'd like to transfer your Bitcoin to, and then enter the amount you'd like to withdraw from the vault. Review the transaction. If everything looks good, tap Confirm. Enter your secure PIN or use Touch or Face ID. If you have an authenticator app set up for your account, we'll ask you to enter that code. Next, we'll send you an email verification to confirm the withdrawal. Go to your inbox and click Verify Email to confirm the transaction. You can also cancel the withdrawal from this email if you'd like. Back in the app, click Confirm Withdrawal once more. That's it. Your withdrawal has been confirmed and your funds will be available in 48 hours. To keep your holdings discreet, you can hide your vault balance from the app. Tap on the menu in the top right-hand corner of your Wealth screen, and then tap Hide BTC Vault. Tap again to confirm. You'll no longer see your vault account balance on your home and Wealth screens. To access your vault account again, go back to your Wealth settings, tap Show All Accounts, and then tap Unhide BTC Vault. Enter your PIN or use Touch or Face ID to confirm it's really you. And you'll be able to access your vault account again. Our dedicated support team is here to help. Just get in touch. We are happy to answer any questions or walk you through how to use your vault account step by step.